Once upon a time, the forests were lush green. The air was clean. The water sparkled, the perfect environment for mankind's imagination to flourish and expand. And then, industrialization started leaving large carbon footprints, destroying the magnificence of our culture and environment. With the turn of the century, it is time for us to look towards newer, cleaner and smarter fuel options. Natural gas, the cleanest fuel on earth. Natural gas is an ecological savior. It is the most energy-efficient fossil fuel available today. It has the lowest carbon emission rate, 22% less emission than oil and 40% less than coal. Natural gas is a smart alternative with a clean burning process. It does not leave any residue like smoke, soot or ash like coal does. With minimal emission of sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides, carbon dioxide, carbon monoxide as well as other harmful oxides, when compared to other fuels, it is becoming the preferred alternative. Natural gas power plants use about 60% less water than coal plants, 75% less water than nuclear plants for the same electrical output. Also, natural gas power plants require the least land per megawatt of production versus renewable energy sources. Wind and solar power both require 20 times more land to power the same number of homes as natural gas power plants. Natural gas is estimated to have 182 trillion cubic meters of proven reserves. That's about 60 years of supply. Natural gas is available in gaseous form, which is piped across the nation. This saves on extra transportation costs and is not susceptible to bad weather conditions. Natural gas is a safe fuel. It can withstand high temperatures, being lighter than air. It disperses in the atmosphere in case of accidental leaks. Its combustible range is very low, thus safeguarding against accidental ignition. Today, 43% of natural gas usage is across industries. Steel and glass foundries use natural gas infrared units as an economical, innovative option for metal preheating and glass melting. It not only makes production cheaper and quicker because of continuous supply, but it also reduces health hazards for workers. The use of natural gas in the glass bangle industry as well as glass melting furnaces in the Agra-Firozabad area has majorly contributed in protecting our national heritage, the Taj Mahal, from the ravages of industrial pollution. Natural gas is used as a fuel in varied industries like roasting of tea leaves, storing food grain, processing food. Natural gas heating systems are popular for bakeries, dairies and commercial cooking in hotels and restaurants. Parle Industries, Asia's largest bakery as well as Amul's Doodh Sagar, India's largest dairy, are running on natural gas. Natural gas can also be used for cooling. Large-scale refrigeration units running on natural gas for cold storage of fruits and vegetables are fast becoming popular. It is ideal for fisheries, bulk drug industries, ice cream plants, dairies, as well as pesticide plants. Natural gas combined heat and power (CHP) and combined cooling heat and power (CCHP) systems are used for space heating or cooling, water heating and powering industrial boilers. The savings are phenomenal. Large areas like malls and hotels using CHP can benefit from huge savings. What makes natural gas the best option in fuel is its versatility for domestic use. Piped natural gas is convenient as it is delivered to homes through pipes. Natural gas makes great economic sense. It saves 68% on electricity, 30% on coal, 30% on oil when natural gas is used for various such household activities. Here are some of the household natural gas appliances used in countries like USA, Canada, Germany, France, among others. As a cooking fuel, natural gas is used by 38% of households in the US and 47% of households in Canada. 62 million US homes and 30 million Canadian homes use it for air conditioning. 58% of US households and 48% of Canadian households use it for heating their homes. In India, as more cities and towns get natural gas supplies, we expect a great leap in gas appliances usage in the next 5 years. Natural gas has long been considered an alternative fuel for the transportation sector. CNG is generally used as fuel in transit and fleet vehicles in large cities, as well as in a limited number of personal natural gas vehicles. The world today is waking up to the power of natural gas to save us millions in costs, to optimize industrial efficiency, to maximize convenience and safety in our homes. And that's where GAIL comes in. GAIL owns and operates a network of over 10,500 kilometers of natural gas high-pressure trunk pipelines with a capacity to carry 172 MMSCMD of natural gas across the country. To ensure gas supply, we are not only using domestically produced natural gas, but also tying up with international sources. For receiving gas from abroad, we have recently commissioned an LNG terminal at Dabhol and are setting up a floating storage and regasification unit on the East Coast. For focused marketing and servicing efforts, we have set up joint ventures and subsidiaries like GAIL Gas, IGL, MGL and similar 6 joint ventures. GAIL is committed to the effective and efficient use of this smart fuel natural gas for the benefit of the environment and the community.